Hello and welcome to the 11th episode of Mr. HTML Teacher. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a web button separated from a navigation bar. For example, just normal buttons that go across the top or down the side, whatever way you want. First of all, you have to open up your Adobe Photoshop and File, New. Now a good size I'd say for making this would be 300 by 200 pixels. I'm saying this is a good size, and you can put fit screen or actual pixels, whatever you want. And I want to set the radius to 7, and I'm just going to put the size of the button I want, and as you can see, obviously it's a solid colour, which is black. As I've shown in previous tutorials, just click next to the shape, tick gradient overlay, and then on it again. Click here. Obviously I've said in previous tutorials you can download any of these, but these are the standard ones. We are going to select this type of blue today, and we're going to go fit screen so it's big enough for us to see. Now you can see the rough edges obviously because we're on fit screen, and that's pretty much your web button there. Then you just highlight around the button to put in the text, and obviously whatever text suits you is the text you're obviously going to want to use. And just change this so if the text doesn't come up, be sure to delete the layer, delete it, click on shape, click on that shape, and then create a new one so it will be there. Obviously I'm just going to create the home button like that, tick it, say I'm okay with the size. Obviously you can have different font text and obviously any different style of button. I'm just going to zoom in once there, and obviously there's your navigation button. If you would like to save as, and then save it as a PSD, and then save it as a JPEG image, obviously up to you. Watch previous tutorials how to do that. And then simply, if you just want to take it straight from something, take it on the slicing tool, highlight around the button, and obviously there's your button sliced and your image complete. I'm just going to do a quick example where I can save as. I'm going to save it to my desktop as untitled one, as a JPEG image. Save. Obviously you're going to want it to be good quality, so I'm going to put it 10, or you can put it up to 12 as the maximum. Depends on how much size where you're uploading it to, or if you're not uploading it to anywhere, just want a standard image. Save as, and then come down, there's the untitled one. Open up this, and there you go, good quality there. Now if we open with Firefox, let's wait for that to load up, copy image, file new, and obviously I've said previous ones, good size for me is 1000 by 900, and instead of putting in the background layer, just put this in for now. Go actual pixels, good place for it to be. Obviously they can say different kind of thing, and obviously if you don't want that white section there, take it away, but I just use that to work out how much space there is between each button, just to make sure it's a good size. And obviously there you have it, like that. And there's your web buttons complete. Obviously you can have them any size you want, and then example your web banner up here. The next tutorial I'm going to be doing, there's obviously web banner. Next tutorial I'm going to be doing in a few minutes, as I've said I'm going to be doing 2 tutorials per day, is going to be how to create a web banner with web. One part of it's going to be without navigation buttons, and one with. So I'll see you in the next few minutes.